Welcome back to WellnessWaveOfficial, your go-to place for health, wellness, and self-improvement. Today, we explore mindful eating, how to develop a healthy relationship with food, where science and well-being connect. Join us as we uncover powerful habits and strategies to develop a healthy relationship with food today. In a world dominated by fast food, rushed meals, and endless distractions, the act of eating has become more about convenience than consciousness. Mindful eating offers a powerful alternative, an approach that not only transforms how we consume food, but also reshapes our relationship with our body and mind. This practice invites us to engage with our meals using all our senses, to truly taste, feel, and appreciate each bite, creating a more fulfilling and nourishing experience. At its core, mindful eating is rooted in the principles of mindfulness, being fully present and aware in the moment without judgment. Applied to eating, it encourages us to slow down, recognize our hunger cues, and understand the reasons behind our food choices. Are we eating out of hunger, boredom, stress, or habit? By observing without criticism, we begin to uncover patterns that often go unnoticed, making space for healthier decisions. One of the most effective ways to start mindful eating is by eliminating distractions. That means turning off the television, putting down the phone, and focusing solely on the food. When we remove external noise, we create an environment where we can listen to our internal cues and truly connect with the eating experience. Research shows that people who eat while distracted are more likely to overeat and feel less satisfied. Tuning into physical hunger versus emotional hunger is another essential element. Physical hunger builds gradually, comes with physical symptoms like stomach growling or low energy, and is satisfied by almost any food. Emotional hunger, on the other hand, arises suddenly, is often tied to cravings for specific comfort foods, and is not truly satisfying. Recognizing the difference empowers us to respond appropriately, whether by eating or by addressing emotional needs in healthier ways. Portion awareness is a key mindful eating skill. Instead of counting calories or following rigid diet plans, mindful eaters learn to respect fullness and satisfaction. This means checking in with your body throughout the meal and asking, am I still hungry? Or am I comfortably full? Studies have found that practicing this level of awareness can lead to reduced binge eating and better weight regulation over time. Another transformative aspect of mindful eating is gratitude. Taking a moment before meals to express appreciation for the food, the effort that went into preparing it, and the nourishment it provides creates a deeper connection. Gratitude shifts our mindset from consumption to appreciation, which can influence not just how much we eat, but how we feel after eating. Texture, taste, and aroma play a role in slowing down the eating process. Observing the colors on your plate, inhaling the scent of your meal, noticing the crunch or creaminess of each bite. All of these sensory engagements ground us in the present moment. The more we savor, the less likely we are to overeat. It's not just about what we eat, but how we eat it. Contrary to popular belief, mindful eating doesn't mean you must eat perfectly. It's not about restriction or perfection. It's about awareness and compassion. If you overeat or choose less healthy options, mindful eating helps you reflect on that choice without guilt and understand why it happened. This non-judgmental awareness is what sets mindful eating apart from conventional dieting. Meal timing and regularity also impact our eating patterns. Skipping meals or eating at inconsistent times can disrupt hunger cues and lead to overeating. Establishing a rhythm, eating at regular intervals and planning meals with intention, creates structure and reduces impulsive eating. It also aligns the body with its natural rhythms, supporting metabolism and digestion. Mindful eating encourages a long-term shift in mindset rather than a quick fix. Over time, it fosters body awareness, emotional intelligence, and a more intuitive relationship with food. People often report improved digestion, reduced anxiety around eating, and a greater sense of satisfaction after meals. The ultimate goal is not weight loss or dietary perfection. It's creating a sustainable, nourishing way of living. In our modern society, where diet culture dominates and body image pressures are constant, mindful eating offers a refreshing perspective. It invites us to step off the cycle of guilt and restriction and into a space of curiosity and care. It's about honoring our bodies, respecting our hunger, and trusting ourselves again. The science behind mindful eating is compelling. Studies from Harvard and the University of California have shown that individuals who practice mindful eating regularly experience reduced binge eating, emotional eating, and anxiety around food. Brain scans even suggest that mindfulness practices can alter brain regions associated with self-regulation, which plays a significant role in eating behavior. As you explore mindful eating, start small. Choose one meal per day where you eliminate distractions and practice full attention. Use a journal to note your feelings before and after eating. Ask yourself, why am I eating right now? Or what does my body need? These reflections create awareness and slowly reshape habits. Mindful eating is not just a trend, it's a return to something deeply human. In a world that moves too fast, it's a call to pause, taste, and truly nourish ourselves. It reminds us that food is not just fuel but a connection to our senses, our emotions, and our well-being. And perhaps, through mindful eating, we don't just change how we eat, we change how we live.